Our travels take us to Middle Tennessee today for the Virgin Falls Pocket Wilderness. It's 1,100 acres of untouched beauty near Sparta. Hey gang, today I'm checking out Virgin Falls Pocket Wilderness in Sparta, Tennessee. It's not too far from Chattanooga. So far the trail has some pretty great, clearly defined pathways and markers. That's what you want to see. Because I got here thinking it's going to be a short jaunt to the place, and it turns out it's going to be 4 miles. So this is going to be a fun hike. It's cold, it's a little blustery outside, you know, the wind's cranking, but we're going to have some fun. A round-trip hike to the pocket takes 9 miles. It's been an extremely wet winter, so many of the pathways are completely submerged by days of constant rainfall. Even in the winter, it's like a jungle out here. This is what you get in the south. And you have an unseasonably warm and wet winter. Everything starts to come back a little early. Global warming. Be concerned. Big Laurel Creek is your guide to the main attraction. I finally got to a point in the trail where there's no way I'm going to be able to cross. So I'm going to have to get a little creative. But sadly, for once, we had to play it safe. There's absolutely no way I'm going to be able to cross that today. I'm a little disappointed that I didn't get to go today, but this just serves as a reminder not to do anything stupid when you're out in the woods, Nature Boy style. Thankfully, there's a mind-blowing overlook just a couple miles away.